are curious about fasting. You may have heard about it from your friends or are even perhaps already practicing IF. There are lots of videos on the internet about IF or intermittent fasting, but few talk about how women can go around it. Just so you know, long fast can disrupt your hormones if they're not done right, or rather not done at the right time of the month. So yes, this video is going to talk about the different kinds of fasts. We'll talk about how and where you can start and how you can progress in your fasting journey and get the maximum benefits out of fasting. In the Ainari community itself, we practice about 7 different kinds, give or take 7. The first one is intermittent fasting, which you probably have heard of already. This is a great place to actually begin. What to do is not eat or drink anything except water for 13 to 15 hours. Yes, I know some people drink coffee or bulletproof coffee or green tea while they fast. We will get to all of that in another video, but if you're a newbie to fasting, simply don't eat anything in your fasting window. I want you to sync this with your circadian rhythm, which means you eat your last meal, which is dinner, at sunset or no later than 7 or 8 p.m. Then you go without food. You can drink water for about 13 to 15 hours and have your breakfast anywhere between 8 a.m. and 11 a.m. depending on how long you can manage your hunger pangs. The idea is to slowly progress to the 15 hours mark. You can do this every day. Everyone can do this every day very safely. Now, once you get comfortable with this, it's time to move to the next level of fasting, which is 17 hours. So this is the same method as intermittent fasting, but for 17 hours. Why I love this personally is because at 17 hours, autophagy kicks in. Now you must be wondering, what is autophagy? So we'll get to that again in details later, but just to very quickly explain, it literally means eating oneself. So when your body kicks into the autophagy mode, it essentially starts eating the toxins within its cells. The sweet spot for autophagy lies between 17 to 72 hours. So try and get comfortable with the 17 hours fasting. Most people will start with 13 to 15 hours of, let's say, IF for 5 days and then 2 days of 17 hours fast. Now when you're comfortable with these two, you move to the next level. The next level is 24 hours, 22 to 24 hours of fasting. Third kind of fasting, we also call this OMAD, or 1 meal a day. A lot of people in the community at Ainari swear by 1 meal a day. It has a lot of benefits. I personally tried to incorporate this once or twice a week. It helps repair intestinal stem cells. You get a deeper detox, more autophagy, more ketones, fat burn, weight loss, and when you get comfortable with the 24 hours fast, you can go into some of the longer fasts that are so healing. The fourth one that we practice here is 36 hours water fast. Those of you who really want to lose weight and are stuck, when you go 36 hours without food, what happens? You regulate your blood sugar, you speed up your metabolism, your body just goes after the sugar it's stored in fat years ago. But to get here, you really first need to get comfortable with the first 3 fasts I spoke about. Don't dive into a long fast in the first go. Please don't do it. The next fast is a 3 to 5 days long water fast. One is for those who want to repair the immune system, or let's say you have a chronic symptom that you want to repair. BDNF in your brain kicks in at that point, and just so you know, BDNF helps in learning and memory. A lot of people have done this primarily for weight loss. I personally do it for building a better immune system to fight cancer cells. I'll do it maybe for 2-3 times a year. What frequency you should do it in depends on what health benefits you are trying to derive out of this. But obviously you don't want to jump into this right away. You want to first get used to IF and OMAD and only then plan this. Of course, there are lots of stories of people who have done longer fasts, 10 days, 21 days. Some of those stories are miraculous, and if you have such a story to share, please leave it in the comment section so we can all hear it. We don't recommend you do a 5 days water fast without supervision or without a health coach or someone guiding you through that experience. It can get dangerous to, when it's done by your own. There are other fasts like dry fast and fast mimicking as well. I don't want to overwhelm you with too much information in one go, but keep an eye out and we will share more information soon. So there you go. If you're new to fasting, get started with IF and slowly move to the other longer fasts. Fasting is miraculous and it's your body's natural way of healing itself. We'll keep bringing you a lot of information on fasting on our channels, but again, IF is a great place to start. So incorporate fasting into your lifestyle this year. Stay healthy, stay happy. Happy fasting.